Welcome back, guys. The first thing we want to do as a beginner before we proceed is to learn a high income skill. And how do we do that? All I have to do is to paste it, and right here I want to double my income by learning a high income skill that is in demand based on my current skills and interests. So you insert your skill and interest inside here. All you have to do is to insert your skill and interest. So for me, I'll start this way. I would say, based on my current skill as a web designer using WordPress, and interest in web development and online marketing. Can you suggest 5 high income skills I could learn in the next 3-6 months? For each skill, provide the any potential learning resources and actionable steps to start monetizing it. So look at this easy prompt right here. What's this prompt? The only thing I change in this prompt is my interest. So whatever your interest is, you input it inside this. I'm a web designer currently, so I'd say as a web designer. So depending on what you want, you could use whatever you want to use. And then my interest, whatever you aspire to learn, you could input it right here. So I'm to learn web development and online marketing, and I'm here to suggest, I'm asking the AI to wish ChatGPT to suggest 5 high income skills I could learn in the next 3 to 6 months. For each skill, it should provide any potential learning resources and actionable steps to start monetizing it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prompt that for now. Let's prompt that for now. So let's see what it prompts for us. And right now I'm waiting for the output of this prompt. So it's as simple as that. So this is the first thing you get to do. You get to do something like this, and here is the details of what it gave to us. It says here are 5 high income skills that align with your current expertise and can help you double your income within 3 to 6 months. So it says conversion rate optimization, and which is any potential is between $50 to $200 per hour per project. So what it says is that learning resources, you can take advanced CRO course. You could go to Google Analytics Academy, free courses on data analysis, Udemy courses on A or B testing and landing page optimization. So actionable steps to monetize this: you start offering CRO services to your current clients, optimize their websites for conversions, build case studies by improving conversion rates on your website or a test project, create an Upwork or Fiverr profile specializing in CRO, partner with digital marketers and e-commerce brands that need higher conversion. Okay, that is noted. That is one skill. And another skill here, it says full stack JavaScript development, React and Node.js. The earning potential is between $50 to $150 per hour, and these are learning resources. You could see there's the Odin project here. I know of the Odin project. So all you have to do now is to look for the Odin project right now. So just type the Odin project on Google and you'll be able to access that. But before we proceed with that, you could see front end masters. So you could see advanced JavaScript and React course, free coded camp, full stack development roadmap. So actionable steps to monetize: you build portfolio projects showcasing real world applications, offer freelance development services on platforms like Upwork or TopTar, network with agencies and startups needing full stack developers, create a productized service, MVP web app development in 4 weeks. So that is something you can do as well. For 2, another skill we could learn is technical SEO and website performance optimization. So right now you have all these resources to learn all these. But before we proceed, you could see we have all these email marketing, we have no code web app development with bubble.io, webflow, glide apps. So we could use this, we could learn this. So if you want quick wins, go for CRO, technical SEO or email marketing, since you can leverage your WordPress experience immediately. So if you are thinking long-term scalability, full stack JavaScript or no code development will guide you the ability to build and sell custom solutions. Which one sounds most interesting to you? I can help you outline a more detailed roadmap. Now we're going to highlight the interesting ones right now. So let's highlight the interesting ones. So I'm taking my interesting ones right now. This conversion rate optimization, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is that I want the full stack Odin project. So I would say I want the following. I'll continue with my prompt. I'll say I want the following. Okay, so I'll say I want the following. and I'm going to paste that. Yes, that will be the first that I'm going to paste. Then I'm going to paste the second I want. So that's the one skill I want to learn, and the second I want is technical SEO and website performance optimization. I want this, so I'm going to proceed. I'm going to input that as well. Which one do I want again? So you could see email marketing and sales funnel, so we could look into this as well. So let me look for, okay, let me add this will be the third. I won't take the whole 5, so I'll just take the ones that I feel like I could resonate with. So I could resonate with all these, so I'll copy this and I'll put this in. So this will be the third as well, so I'll choose that. I'll say I want the following. I want you to deep search and give me good, okay, deep search and link me to the learning resources. Yeah, learning resources. Okay, and the next thing says if you want quick wins, go for this. It's suggested, but I've taken the ones I want. Which one sounds most interesting to you? I can help you outline a more detailed roadmap. So at the very end, I would say, and okay, so I can put this equals, I can put that, and I'll say and help me with, yes, so it will say help me with an outline or a more detailed, yeah, help me with a more detailed roadmap, and help me with a more detailed roadmap. So I'm going to proceed, but before we proceed, I'll click on search, like search the web, and I'll click on reason for it to deep search. So I'm going to send that right now. So let's see what the prompt will bring for us after having to do this. So I'm going to wait for the prompt. So here it's going to deep search into the web and get us linked to those resources instead of us trying to search one by one. So it's going to get us linked to those resources. So I want you to check out Google Apps. So I'm going to check out Google Documents. So if you don't know what Google Documents is, so I'm going to check it out. Google Docs. So I'm going to use my Gmail as well to access Google Docs. So I'm going to open that right now so that I can have all my details. I can have it inputted. So right here we have this, and let's see what that will be. So it gives us the different links to where we can access the information. So for instance, this is the Odin project. I was trying to search it here. All I have to do now is to click on this. I'm going to click on visit the Odin project, and it opens it in another tab, and here is the Odin project. You can learn this for free with this. So what it trying means is that all I have to do now is to copy this. So as you could see from here, it says reasoned for 14 seconds. Below is a comprehensive roadmap with direct links to the key learning resources for each skill, along with a timeline and actionable steps you can follow over the next 3 to 6 months to build your expertise and start monetizing your new high income skills. Yeah, so we are good to go. All you have to do is to copy this because you'll be needing this later on. So I'm going to copy all that, and I'm going to have them pasted and go through them. So all I have to do now is to create a new blank document in Google Docs. So I'm going to click on the plus icon to create a new document, and right here I will name it skill. I'll name it high income skills. Yes, so I'm going to name it that, and I'm going to have that pasted. So I'm going to have all that pasted. So let me paste it right now, and got it. I'm going to paste it right now. So I'm going to use Ctrl V, or I right click my mouse and paste. Then right there I'll be able to paste what I got from there. So the link and everything is right here. So right now, after you've learned everything in this document, after you've gone through all these resources, you need a lot of hard work to get yourself to a better place. So right now you have to go through all these resources like I mentioned earlier on. It has been detailed here what you could earn, and the resources are detailed. So you could see month 1, you could learn the foundations and fundamentals, complete introductory modules on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and walk through basic projects, e.g. simple landing pages and other. Set up a GitHub account. So these are action items. So you could join developer communities. So this is another way out, but you could do all these with ChatGPT. All you have to do is to see how to go about learning all this. You could even use ChatGPT to go on to learn whatever you want to learn right here. So you could go on to learn them one by one. To set up a GitHub account, you could ask how could you go about it. You could dive into React and Node.js basics and learn about it. Then you could build integrated full stack applications in month 3, and month 4 to 6 you could advance project and monetization. So you could see a role in advanced courses on front end to refine, study testing frameworks, Jest, Mucha, and start freelancing on Upwork, develop a productized service, action plan, continue building more complex projects. So that's for the first skill, and we have the second skill right here. And all you have to do is just to learn all this and go through all these plans one by one. But right now, after you've gone through all these plans, I want you to do something. I want you to customize your ChatGPT. How do you go about that? So I would prompt something. I would say use my learning projection to create a customized profile for me, so I could have the right directions and projections when it comes to explaining my values and delivery. So I'm going to get a test to customize like whatever I have doing. So I'm going to send this right now. I could remove the search and reasoning, though it's still on. I could remove the search and reason, but let's see what it brings right here. We could always come back to take this out, to take the prompt and reprompt without having to search or reason. So let's wait for that to create a profile for us, and by the end of it creating a profile for us, we're going to customize our ChatGPT. Okay, so we are waiting for it to be done, and we are going to see what we have right here. So here we are. So we have digital solution specialist and imagine. So what I want to do now, let's copy this. This is my profile summary right now. So let's copy all this right now. Come to my profile right here, and you see customize ChatGPT. Yeah, this is the link I'll click on. So I'll try to customize ChatGPT. So what is my name? I will input my name. You input your name right there. And what do you do? I'm going to call myself a web designer and tech instructor. Yes, so I'm going to put it right there. And what traits should ChatGPT have? So you describe your traits for it, and yes, anything else ChatGPT should know about you. So I'm going to input that text right now. This one will be inputted there, and we're going to have that right now. So we could always come to edit it. So anything else you want ChatGPT to know about you? So I'm going to copy that. Let me come to this, and I'll say, can you make this my ChatGPT customized profile when it comes to the session where this question is asked? So I'm going to paste that right now. I'm going to paste that, which is anything else ChatGPT should know about you. I'm going to send that. So let me just remove this reasoning and search. So let's send this. Let's see what we are going to have right now. So it's going to customize that for us. So let's wait for it to be customized, and we're going to wait for that to be customized. So I'm waiting for it, and you say your profile is now customized to reflect your expertise and goal. So let's wait for that. So it says whenever you need guidance or strategic. So let's see, let me go to customize ChatGPT and let's see what we have. So it didn't, so I would say list out the customized tests for me to input on my settings. So yeah, I'm going to ask for that. So let's see. If we're asking for too much, let's see how it happens. So here you could see right now it says I'm a digital solution specialist with a background in WordPress web design, currently expanding my expertise into full stack JavaScript development, technical SEO and website performance, and yes, my goal is to double my income and all that. So yes, all you have to do is to copy all this. So it's going to copy, you're going to copy all this, and you're going to come back here to paste that. I'm going to Ctrl A and I'm going to paste that, and right there I have the exact test I needed, and that we have been able to create that. So all I have to do is to save it. So you could see the vertical above all. What do? I inputted that. All I have to do, you could see advanced right here. So ChatGPT capabilities, you could see web search, you could see DALL-E, you could see code, you could see canvas. Just leave all that right now. So I'm going to save that right now, and that's the way to customize. So I want you to do the same thing for yourself. You try to customize your profile so ChatGPT gets to know you, because this would help you improve the results ChatGPT brings for you. This you just did will help you improve results. So it's a way to improve and enhance your output, and this is one way to do that. So I just customized my ChatGPT. I need you to do the same as well. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.